Blue din.
Happy Bright!
Oh,
Jesus naman! Barbie! Wow! That's so cute!
Sakto. Sobrang sakto.
Tingin niya yan!
Kanina pa ako nag-video.
Oh my God! Roar! Oh my God, sarap! Aww, let's take pictures.
So good. Hi, Jalexans! Yeah, gusto namin mag-thank you sa inyo for supporting us. Kahit may mga iba't ibang kaming ganap outside this, sinusuportahan nyo kami. We really appreciate it. We love you guys and yeah, can't wait kung may susunod pa tayong gagawin. And yeah, I love you.
Yeah, thank you guys so much again for all the support. It's been really fun. It's been really vibey. I love the energy that everyone gives each other. Kaya maraming salamat. Let's just keep things happy. Let's just keep things light. And let's enjoy the time we get to spend with each other. And more things to look forward to. Yes, soon. So, can't wait for that. Kaya ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And thank you for this wonderful spread. Thank you for all the trending trends, for all the posts.
Yeah.
Top 1 tayo today.
Yes.
Time, amazing. Kaya maraming salamat po. And more to come.
Yes, we super appreciate lahat ng mga pinapost nyo, even the edits. Hindi kaming panoorin yan. And
Ay yes, sinesend namin yan.
Sinesend
Sa
yan.
araw-araw. Oo. Yung mga edit. Kaya thank you so much, Jalexans. We love you.
love, love, love.
Heart daw.
Love lang.
Na hindi abot. Magbaba ako pa. Yan!
Ay,
Ang third kid ng Rosy Kuya mo. Hindi siya kakanta.
Perfect!
okay ba?
Ayan!